Okay, so kung gusto mong ma-master yung price action, this video is for you. So watch until the end kasi marami tayong golden nuggets dito. So, usually, marami kang mga naririnig or nakikita mga traders na halos wala ng laman yung charts nila, sasabihin lang nila price action lang yung strategy nila. So, how come price action is very powerful sa trading and sa charts mo? So, here's the thing no before we begin dissecting this concept. Price action kasi, tayo, especially as retail traders, kailangan importante no na marunong kang magbasa ng price action. Kung saan yung papunta yung market, anong nangyayari ngayon, because wala tayong access sa mga internal information na meron yung mga big players sa market. Like, anong bias ng mga malalaking banks? Are they selling pounds? Are they buying the dollars? 'Di ba? Sila kasi may mga mga insider trading and may mga internal information na sila na before even the news could happen, okay? Alam na nila yung mangyayari. Now, as retail traders, charts lang yung nakikita natin. Or kung newsman, Forex Factory lang, no? So that's our job as retail traders to know yung mga footprints ng mga big players na to, no? To spot those things na hindi nakikita ng mga typical retail traders, no? To understand ano yung mga intentions nila behind these candlesticks. That's why this concept, no, introduce ko sa'yo. So, watch until the end this video. So, before that, no, you have to get the whole picture. Okay? And this framework helped me, no, to understand further price action. And ganito lang siya kasimple. So, first, you have to understand the bigger concept. Anong nangyayari? Anong ginagawa? Anong nangyayari dito sa candlestick? And this framework, umpisahan lang natin sa market participants. Okay? Basically, market participants, ano ba sila? These are the central banks, no? Yung mga market makers natin, even us retail traders, no? Market participants din tayo, no? Maybe mga losing traders, market participants din yan. Lahat na nagtitrade, market participants. Now, all of these people, which are kunwari, major contributor talaga dito are, kumbaga, yung mga big banks, they drive the order flow. Now, what does order flow mean? By the word itself, ito yung mga flow ng orders kung saan pupunta yung market. Now, which one is stronger? Yung buying orders or yung selling orders? Doon ngayon magpo-flow yung movement ng market. Now, the market participants drives where the order flow goes, and this order flow prints price action. That's why, kunwari, may mga nakikita kang mga bullish structure, no? Higher highs, higher lows, or may makikita kang mga candlestick na ang haba nung mga wick niya. Now, that's price action. Okay? So, may makikita ka na, ay, mga order block, sudden movement, no? Ibig sabihin, may a block of orders doon na biglang lumipad yung price. So, that's price action. Now, after order flow prints price action, this price action eventually forms patterns. Okay? So, I hope nakikita nyo, no? Wait lang. Yan na natin. That's why may mga traders na nagtitrade ng patterns. Ay, wait, yung price action nito, nag-accumulate siya, nagbo-bullish flag siya eh. Ay, yung next na gagawin nito, biglang boom. Diba? So, if na-apply mo tong concept na to, if naiintindihan mo to, okay, integrate mo sila. Connect the dots. You'll now understand, ay, bakit ganito yung ginagawa ng charts? Anong nangyayari dito? Ano yung intention ng mga big players? Now, sasabayan mo sila after that. Okay? So, yun. Kailangan mo munang intindihin yung market psychology dito. Anong nangyayari. Then eventually, backtest mo, observe further, learn from it, and apply, create a strategy around it. Hindi ka lang pwedeng depend sa isa lang. Kunwari, patterns. Hindi mo naman solid mababack up yung patterns na, ay, mukhang ganito yung pattern na ginagawa niya. Okay? Not every time ganun yung mangyayari. Kasi marami ka din i-consider eh. Yung bias mo, yung structure ng market, yung price action, kung valid ba yan. So, you refine it eventually. But etong whole picture, this will get you started with on understanding the market deeper. Kasi dito din ako nag-umpisa, no? Nung nakita ko to, okay. Ganito pala. Okay? So, now, when you see the charts, hindi na lang siya basta-basta candlestick or patterns na nakikita mo. You'll now see it as what is the intention of the market right now? Ano yung gustong gawin ng mga players? And then after, susundan mo yun. Okay? So, if you find value to this and, picturean mo to, then, maybe I want to make another video, no? In detail, sa charts talaga. No? Hanapin natin, dissect natin kung paano natin masaspat yung maa-apply yung concept na to. Okay? So, if you want to have that part 2 on this video, I might need 50 comments, price action. Okay? Kung may 50 comments tayo, I'll make another video. If wala, sige, next topic ulit tayo. Okay? So, yun lang. If you enjoyed, like this video and share, Okay? So, have a great day. God bless.